Hi everyone, today I would like to make a comparison between two portable DAB plus radios. This one is a renowned Sony brand. It has a FM, DAB and DAB plus, and this is a Nikkei, a company called Nikkei. It's a Chinese radio, a not very famous brand. So what I will do, I will tune the same station on both radios, and then we see which one has a good audio quality, and we see that who is more sensitive receiving the stream for the same station. So during this comparison I would like to tell you both radios, they work with the 6 voltage either through the power source or 4 AA 1.5 volt batteries. But today I'm gonna use power adapter for both of radios, so no batteries inside. So they are powered with the AC adapters, and we'll be using the same level of audio volume and a similar station, and then we listen one and other. So for comparison I will use two stations as the reference. One is BBC World Service. Over there we see how the audio quality is when it's just commentary of football game, and then I choose next station as the reference, NPO Radio 4, which is a classical music, and then we see which is better. Other radio station with the popular music I will not tune it, because then my channel will get copyright strike, so YouTube algorithm doesn't understand that I'm comparing the radios, not violating the copyrights of the music. Anyhow, so this will be the reference point, and you will be able to hear yourself and make the decision. The recording device has also stereo input. The video I'm recording, so it has also stereo input, two microphones basically, and both receivers, they have a front firing speaker with a similar size. So let's see who is better. Both radios are tuned to NPO Radio 4 classical music. So first we increase the volume of Sony. Now we are tuned to BBC World Service. So first we listen Sony, how is the football commentary sounds like.
Too much game time since Johnny from Bournemouth set to score for the club. I imagine he's going to come on and bring some fresh legs as they look to
It's a full volume now.
This narrow lead. West Ham will be desperate for victory today. They're
And
running out of
now
time
we
for
also
that.
add up
Still
Nikkei.
time to get a point as the ball's played straight out of play over the head of Sofao, as a substitution is going to happen here, and it's going to be Josh King who comes on, just doing some final stretches, and Richarlison to make way. So that is, of course, just fresh legs for the counter. It's basically the way that we're playing in the second half, with just a new man on, and Richarlison not too happy about having to come off. He's always a weapon in that sort of transition situation. From his decision making, perhaps today, Mark, not been on point.
Now we only put Nikkei.
Decent position with the ball at his feet, just not looking up, not being aware of the players making runs around him, making the wrong decision. And when he does actually lay it off, more often than not, it's been a pretty poor layoff. But he certainly works hard, that's for sure. You can't knock him for that.
Then breaking down the right-hand side, first touch here for King. Can he pick out a teammate? Sigurdsson, edge of the box, slips it through. Calvert-Lewin, round the goalkeeper, Arrow. Angle a bit tight, back in towards King, off the post. Oh, what an opportunity for Josh King to score his first goal for Everton, but denied. So close to the second goal that would have certainly won it for Everton.
Nikkei has little bit more volume than Sony.
Times have been working really hard, waiting for those moments to try and break. That was a moment. You see Calvert Lewin makes a really good run in the box, and Fabianski, because of the angle he's sort of running at, is able to sort of almost push him out towards the corner flag, that sort of direction. He managed to spin on his heels pretty quickly, loft that ball to the far post. You think Josh King's just going to head this into a pretty unoccupied goal. In the end, he hits the post. The inside of the post goes across the line of the goal. And Fabianski is able to get back and collect.
But another change for Everton. Maybe Delph is going to come on. Oh, he's in midfield for a man who's had so many injury worries. It's much Sigurdsson coming off. Being hurried on by Stuart Atwell. Of course, he would take his time, walking as slowly as he can, but the referee making sure he goes off the closest part, which is the far side, so he'll have to walk all the way round. And Delph on. Hasn't scored for Everton, but that's not what his job is in these final, at least 5 minutes here, is to hold on to this victory. They were so close to doubling their advantage, and West Ham just haven't created enough chances in this match really to feel that they ever look like winning it. They've had plenty of the ball, but that's not been worth much, or it's not been worth anything on the score sheets. They've dominated possession. I'm just looking at the possession statistics. 67% possession for West Ham, but 11-2.
Not bad. Very good sound.
Lingard. He's lost it to Coleman, looking a little bit tired there, Lingard. As Delph can bring it forward, and Everton able to get bodies forward. Ball pass from Delph straight to Diop. That's a frustrating one for Ancelotti. He wasn't happy about that from the man who's just come on. And now West Ham will have to build again and get past his Everton defence, which they haven't been able to do for the previous 86 minutes. House, deepest midfield players for West Ham. Also Bowen, did there by back there, Godfrey, clearing it away as far as Diop. Diop gets his head up and plays the short dimple pass to Dawson. They've worked it out wide to the right hand side of Fredericks, and Antonio dropping off to get involved. It's getting towards a desperate situation here for West Ham if they're to find any goals in this game. Souček to Dawson. Wide it goes again. Crossing position for Fredericks. He plays it short to Fornals. No way through at the moment for West Ham. Short pass down the line to Antonio. He's been drawn really wide here though by Digne. Antonio moves it to the wide position again. Souček's waiting for the cross. It's at the edge of the box, and Antonio has to be careful not to lose it. Has to play it short to Dawson. Fredericks once more tosses a hopeful ball in, and this should run through to Pickford, who falls onto the ball. They're nearly there, Everton.
Yeah, pretty much sums up West Ham today in terms of possession, just moving the ball from one side to the other, just lacking any sort of penetrating sort of movements.
The Nikkei has a more bass in the sound, and by fraction it has more volume than Sony.
It's been pretty poor going forward.
But overall quality of the radio outside, Sony is much better. Nikkei, this plastic outside is not very furnished. The antenna is a little bit smaller, and for choosing the channel is just encoder like a volume control, where the Sony has more features. Both have FM and DAB plus, but Nikkei has a little bit better sound, more bass and volume higher. Probably they use the better speaker than Sony, I guess. That would be the only thing which make difference here.
Start to put them under pressure to make really quick decisions.
In it goes from Sofao. It's helped on by Dawson. But Everton clear it, and Delph does very well, and it's played down the line to King. Showed good turn of pace to get on the end of the ball. Looks for a free kick. I think the decision's gone West Ham's way in the end. It's a chance to just pump a long ball forward here, not committing the goalkeeper forward or anything like that. But Everton will get everybody back to defend this free kick near halfway on the right hand side, which Fornals will take. But he just goes short because Lingard's there. He clips it down the line towards Fredericks. Can he hook a ball into the penalty area? But Delph's in there again. Good foot in from him. And Davis can bring it away. There's no striker up the pitch for him to play it to. Instead, he plays a very clever ball to King. But King could step away from his man. And West Ham start again from the back. 90th minute at the London Stadium on 5 Live. West Ham 0, Everton 1. 4 nows for West Ham, who have had probably one clear-cut opportunity in this second half. Not enough, even though they've dominated the ball. Lingard in the centre circle, so far away from goal that he can really harm Everton. Everton, everybody back behind the ball, bar Calvert-Lewin, who now looks to join the defence. It's broken to Lingard. West Ham have a man down, but they want to play on, carry on, send a ball in towards the box. Might break to Sofal into the penalty area, couldn't keep it down on his weaker foot. It was an ambition.
So this Sony is sold around 87 to 93 euros in Netherlands, where the Nikkei is sold for 35. So it's almost half cheaper. The quality of exterior and design, it's not as sleek as Sony, but performance wise I think this is a not bad radio. It has a good sound quality, very warm sound, and it receives all the same stations like the Sony on DAB+, and speaker is more with the bass, and the volume is by a fraction higher than Sony.
For West Ham, they've got about 3 minutes left as again the ball's cleared away. Alan, who's had a fantastic game for Everton defensively. There's been some standout defensive performances as well. The likes of Keane and Godfrey look very calm, and of course Calvert-Lewin with that goal as well. Performances here from Everton that they've been looking for more consistently. Well, they've certainly done the business away from home in this campaign, but home form has cost them being in the Champions League mix, but they are still in the European mix, that's for sure. Especially they hold on to the victory here.
Thank you very much for watching.